Hello everyone, I am Avijit and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafting with Avijit. Today is Teddy Day, the fourth day of Valentine week. So, I am making a Teddy Day card. Let's get started. At first, I am taking a 8 into 9 cm brown paper and 3 cm radius circle. Now connect the two pieces using glue. Next, for the ears, I am taking two pieces of 1.5 cm radius brown paper circle and attach in this circle using glue. Now I take two 1 cm radius white craft paper circle and connect on the two ears. Also taking a 1.5 cm radius white paper circle and connect on the big circle with glue. Next, I take two pieces of 1.5 cm into 7 cm brown paper and cutting a round shape on the one side. Now paste on the two sides of the card. For the middle, I take a 5 into 6 cm and 4 into 5 cm different colors craft paper. Now paste the small one on the other one and also paste it on the card. And using glue, connect the two hands on the paper. Now paste two punched heart on it. Next, using black marker pen, drawing the eyes, nose and mouth of the teddy. and also write Happy Teddy Day on the card. At last, I take a red ribbon bow and attach it on the card. Now our card is ready. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.